Hi folks, my name's Ken.Quick, retired teacher and coach from Idaho. Today it's my pleasure to show you this 32Y 2020 Sunstar by Winnebago. This motorhome just got here. What a great floor plan, king size bed, window in the back. Look at the closet space in this coach. So we've got closets on this side. We got another great big closet with double hangers here. Got our little table that goes up between the front seats. All these storage cupboards right here. TV in the back, full length mirror. What a great setup. Okay, right here we've got our bathroom. Lots of storage in the bathroom. Got our shower right across the hall. Good size shower. All our controls are right here. Solar on this coach. Moving into the living area. Big TV right here. Nice dinette. Turns into a short bed. 4-door refrigerator with an ice maker. Look at all that room. You're ready to go. Moving into the kitchen. 3-burner cooktop, microwave convection, counter space with a window in the kitchen area. Got a nice sprayer here, lots of cupboards to put your food, and lots of drawers here for pots and pans. If we move over in here, you can see we got some storage underneath. Nice couch here that turns into a bed with cup holders on both. Drop down bed right here. Comes in real handy. Up in here in the cockpit, we've got this little flip right here for a desk. Make for the co-pilot. You got side cameras, backup cameras, Triton V10 motor. Very nice seats. Big windows, auto leveling, it's got it all. Let's go outside and take a look around. Outside TV, storage compartments here. Even's got a spot to hook your dog leash right there. More storage here all the way through, that's a long one. More storage. Automatic push button awning. More storage. That's one nice thing about Class A motorhomes, folks, is you get plenty of storage. More here. Moving to the back of the coach. All set up, ready to go for towing. Backup camera here. Generator right here, owning, upgraded 5500 generator. There's your gas fill. Here's your clean out. Filter on all the water. Big long storage here. Got a tight situation here, so storage all the way down the line. Toppers on the slides. Side camera. Big mirrors. Great coach. 32Y 2020 Winnebago Sunstar. If you've got questions about this coach or any other coach here at Guaranty RV, Ken.Quick, the coach, give me a call, 208-250-8625. Have a great day.